Welcome back. We have set up an Excel spreadsheet, and now we can start looking at the questions in the hands-on number 2. The first question is, in any given month, how many passengers do you need to be profitable? So to make enough money during that month just to cover your expenses. In other words, your start cash and end cash would have to be the same. So of course you can use some simple math, or in this case, if you have the formulas worked out, you can play around with the number of passengers until your start cash and your end cash are the same. So since I have everything linked from here, I'm going to say, what about 1,000 passengers? Well, I'm still losing some money. 250 passengers. And I actually meant, oops, I made a change in the wrong cell. Let's say 1,200 passengers. And you can see that for 1,200 passengers, my start cash and my end cash are the same. So with the numbers that I picked, the number would be 1,200 passengers. In your case, you will have different numbers in here and a different answer for question number 1.